Let's see this question, and the question says that which of the following statement is not correct from the viewpoint of the molecular orbital theory. So आपको कुछ statements given है जिनमें से आपको बताना है कौन सी statement ठीक नहीं है regarding the molecular orbital theory. So let's discuss the key concept for this question. This question is based on molecular orbital theory, and in that you have to identify the bond order, which is equal to half of number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital. So let's consider the first statement. Be2 is not a stable molecule. So let's solve for this first of all. Be2 molecule. So it will contain in total 8 electrons. Let's write the order of energy of the orbitals for this molecule. So it will be sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, then sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, further pi 2px equal to pi 2py, and so on. Now let's fill the electrons for Be2 molecule. So 1s2, 1s2, 2s2 and 2s2. तो 8 electrons fill हो चुके हैं हमारे. Now let's find the bond order for this molecule. So it is equal to half of number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital, that is 2 and 2, 4, minus number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital. So 2 electrons and 2 electrons, that is 4. It is equal to 0. That means जो Be2 molecule है वो exist नहीं करता, it is not a stable molecule. तो हमारी first statement बिल्कुल ठीक है. Next statement is He2 is not a stable, but He2 plus is expected to exist. Now let's find the bond order for He2 molecule. So He2 will contain 4 electrons in total. Again, let's write the order of energy of these molecular orbitals. So sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, and so on. Now we have to fill the 4 electrons. Sigma 1s will contain 2. Again 1s2. तो यहाँ पर 4 electrons हमारे fill हो चुके हैं. Now let's calculate the bond order. So it will be equal to half of number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital, that are 2, and then the number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital, which are again 2. So it is equal to 0. Further, we have to talk about He2 plus. Now this will contain 3 electrons. Again, let's write the order of energy of these molecular orbitals. So sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, and sigma 2s, further sigma star 2s. So let's fill the electrons in this. 1s2 and 1s1. Now let's calculate the bond order for this molecule. So it will be half of electrons in bonding molecular orbital, which are 2, and number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital, which is 1. So it is 1 by 2. अब हमारा जो bond order है, that is not equal to 0. That means this molecule will exist. Further, the third statement, bond order of N2 is maximum amongst the homonuclear diatomic molecules belonging to the second period. तो आपको बताना है कि N2 के पास सबसे हाईएस्ट बॉन्ड ऑर्डर होता है. लेट्स कैलकुलेट फॉर दिस. फर्स्टली N2 molecule will contain 14 electrons. Now let's write the order of energy of molecular orbitals, so which is equal to sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, then sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, further pi 2px equal to pi 2py, then sigma 2pz and so on. Now let's fill the electrons in these orbitals. So sigma 1s will contain 2 electrons, 1s2, 2s2, 2s2. हमें कितने फिल करने हैं 14, बट यहाँ तक अभी हमारे 8 फिल हुए हैं. नेक्स्ट 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now let's calculate the bond order for this molecule. Half of number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital, which are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, minus number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital. So 2, 4, only 4, and hence it will be 6 by 2, that is 3. So the bond order is 3, which is the maximum bond order. So third statement is also right. And then the order of energies of the molecular orbital in N2 molecule is this. No, this is wrong, क्योंकि हमने जो पीछे mention किया है, this is the exact order of energy of the molecular orbitals. That means option D is your correct answer as per this question, क्योंकि हमें यहाँ पर wrong statement बताना था.